Hi, one of my favorite things, picking supper from the garden. So tonight we're making a salad. I've got the lettuce from the garden, we got some green peppers, we got some onions, but I'm tossing it up and saying, wait a second, I think I saw some beautiful red cherry tomatoes in the garden this morning when I was weeding. We're gonna go get them. So here we go. Let's get these cherry tomatoes. So we've started our bowl. And I have to kind of squeeze my way in here because the tomato plants are so big now, because they're almost ready to harvest. So we're going to squeeze our way in. And here is some beautiful yellow tomatoes. But I can tell you right now, these are not getting to the salad bowl. These are going in my tummy. Look at that, beautiful. Like candy. So here's some beautiful, oh, here's some yellow ones too. I'm gonna get that guy. But then over here, and they're just hanging, you can see them. Look at this. Just hanging, waiting for us to pick them. Right? So did you know that tomato plants, these beautiful tomato plants, give you 40% of your recommended daily allowance for vitamin C? Yeah, read up on it, you'll see. Why do we want vitamin C? Well, vitamin C does a lot of things. First of all, it reduces inflammation in our bodies, but it also helps to absorb iron. Iron is one of the big infection fighters, but it's very hard for our body to absorb. So nature in all her glory and her wisdom said, okay, vitamin C is going to be hard to absorb, or iron is going to be hard to absorb. I'll give some vitamin C. So one average tomato gives you 40% of your recommended daily intake for vitamin C, right? Awesome. Who would have thought? These beautiful little tomatoes are packed with vitamin C. Packed. Awesome. So another thing that we need vitamin C for is for inflammation in our bodies. Inflammation is what causes dementia and Alzheimer's. Vitamin C is our best friend. So, you know, eat your tomatoes. Awesome. So one of my favorite things, picking supper out of the garden. I just want to say thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, Nanatheglamgardener. Have a great night.